Concentration of solutions. In this module, you will study about the different methods to express the concentration of a solution. So first of all, let us try to understand what is meant by the term concentration of a solution. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute dissolved in a specific amount of solution. So concentration gives you the amount of solute present in a specific amount of solution. So how can you express the concentration of a solution? Divide the amount of solute by the amount of solution. That will give you the concentration of a solution. Amount of solute divided by amount of solution. That will give you the concentration of a solution. There are different methods to express the concentration of a solution. Mass by mass percentage is one such method by which we can express the concentration of a solution. Now, how can you calculate the mass percentage of a solution? If you are given the mass of the solute and mass of the solvent. Divide mass of the solute by mass of the solution and then multiply it by 100. Now, how can you calculate the mass of solution? Add the masses of the solute and the solvent. If you add the masses of the solute and the solvent, you can get the mass of the solution. So, mass by mass percentage is given as mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. Mass percentage of a solution is thus given as equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solution into 100. How to calculate the mass by mass percentage? You know the formula used is mass of the solute by mass of the solution into 100. Now consider an example given here. Determine the percentage composition by mass of a 100 gram salt solution which contains 20 gram salt. So now when you read the question, you will come to know that the mass of salt present is 20 gram. The mass of the solute is 20 gram. And what is the mass of the solution given here? The mass of the solution given here is 100 gram. You don't have to add the mass of the solute and the solvent. Here in this question, the mass of the solution, the total mass of the solution is given as 100 gram. So knowing the mass of the solution and mass of the solute, that is salt, you can calculate the mass by mass percentage, which will be equal to 20 divided by 100 into 100. So you will get the mass percentage as equal to 20%. Mass percentage is therefore given as mass of the solute divided by total mass of the solution into 100. Now how can you get the total mass of the solution? Mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent. Now let us try to solve this question. 20 gram of salt is dissolved in 60 gram of water. What will be the mass percentage of the solution? See, in this question, the solute given is salt and the solvent is water. What is the mass of the salt? It is equal to 20 gram. And what is the mass of the solvent given in the question? 60 gram. So how to calculate mass of solution? Mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent. That is 20 plus 60. That will give you 80 gram. So 80 gram is the mass of the solution. So now you know the mass of the solute and mass of the solution. Therefore, mass by mass percentage is equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solution into 100. That means 20 divided by 80 into 100. When you do the calculation, you will get it as 25%. So that is the answer. What informations do you get from the question? 20 gram salt and 100 gram salt solution. So mass of the solute is equal to 20 gram. Mass of solution is equal to 100 gram. Therefore, mass by mass percentage is equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solution into 100. It is equal to 20 divided by 100 into 100, which is equal to 20%. Therefore, mass by mass percentage is equal to 20%.